Today I'm going to show you how to build a... You know what? Cut that crap. I don't need to be all proper. Get out of here. Terrific. So, every week, I want to build something. I want to build... I'll show you. It's easier.
There's 36 and 2 dashes.
Oh my god, that's like the same length as my pee. Alright, I've got this all sanded down. Now let's begin staining it, shall we? Alright, so these pieces are done. In the meantime, while these dry, I'm going to start working on this piece by installing the hooks. Alright, they're dry. I think everything's done. Is it done? All the screws are in. Screwdriver. I think it's all done. Alright, so this is it. This is what it looks like. I like this rustic look. It's beautiful apple crates. Easy to build. It's fast. And it gets the job done. I put 2 screws here. Actually, 4. I put 4. 4 in here. So they are one piece. One unit. Perfect. Am I forgetting something? Let's get this on the wall and see how it turns out. Yeah? This project turned out really smooth and really solid. So, that concludes the video. Thanks.